100%. 100%. Yeah, tell me what you do, man. I'm really interested.
We build and restore Humvees. If you have any issues with somebody else's Humvee, you come to me. I'll fix it, make it right. I make sure these things are safe. Awesome. A lot of people don't do that. They just put glitter and glamour on them. Yeah. And I'm all about mechanics. So if it doesn't drive, it's not mine.
What's the website?
SBHummers.com.
Sweet. How much do people usually buy these things for? Where do they find them?
I buy them all from the government.
Okay.
So I get them all directly from the government. They're total piles of crap.
Yeah.
And then I go through them, take the bodies off, take the portal hubs off.
Nice.
Take the engines apart, clean it all up.
So this can drive like on the road and all that?
This one has got a 3-speed with the 6.2.
Okay.
And I've got it set up to do 75 miles an hour on the freeway.
Heck
and
yeah,
it's smooth.
bro. And it's smooth. All right, that's what's up, dude. This is awesome.
Thank you
this is
so much. You're just
hey, man.
fucking cool.
This is way cool. Sweet, dude. I love this stuff. Yo, if you think about getting a Humvee, hit my man up here. And he's also, you know, birds of a feather flock together. So there's all the good people. Boom.
Boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.